So if you've got collections or charge-offs or a defaulted student loan and you're thinking it's off my credit report, I'm in the clear, you're not. In fact, you might still owe every penny, and in some cases, like with federal student loans, credit repair will not save you. So if you're relying on deletions to fix your credit while ignoring the actual balance, or if you're thinking that you can just dispute your way out of a defaulted student loan, this video is going to be your wake up call. So let's get into it. Deleted doesn't mean disappeared. And I'm going to start with one of the biggest credit myths that I see in here. If I dispute a collection or charge off or student loan and it gets deleted, the debt is gone. Wrong. All you've done is trigger what's called a temporary suppression, meaning the item was removed because the creditor or the collector didn't respond fast enough to the credit bureau. But that debt, it still exists, it is still owed, it's still legally collectible, and it's still very much a problem. And I've seen it happen again and again where someone disputes a credit card charge off, it comes off their report, they feel great, then boom, 3, 6, or 12 months later, it's back. Or worse, it gets sold to a new debt buyer and it shows up again under a different name. Your credit score drops 100 points overnight, you're shocked, you're angry, and you're confused. That's why I always say that credit repair is not just about getting deletions. It's about dealing with the actual debt as well, especially when it comes to federal student loans, which brings me to the most dangerous part because the government doesn't play, especially with these federal student loans. Now, listen up. If you've defaulted on a federal student loan, this is not like a credit card that you can negotiate or settle. You can't hide from the Department of Education. You can't just dispute it and hope it goes away. And you can't wait until someone takes you to court because there will be no court. There will be no warning. If you're in default, the federal government can and will garnish your paycheck. They can take your tax refund. And yes, they can even withhold part of your Social Security check. And here's what's even scarier, you may not even know until it hits your paycheck. Now, I understand that they have sent out notices to what, a million or so folks that are in default status. Make sure your addresses are updated and current so that you don't miss important notifications from them. And here's how they can find you. The federal government has access to the IRS. They also have your social security number. They can see where you work, they see how much you earn, and they know who your employer is. And they don't need a collection agency to do the digging. They already have the data. Once your name is flagged as in default, they can submit a wage garnishment request. No lawsuit, no notice, no argument. And you find out the moment your employer hands you a check that's missing. I think it's 15% of what they say they're going to take as part of garnishment. Scary, yeah. Avoidable, also, yeah. And it doesn't stop there. Now, you've probably noticed that I have this credit alert verification reporting system, also called CAVERS, pulled up. If you've defaulted on a federal student loan or any government backed loan, you get flagged in a database called CAVERS. It is a federal system that lenders use to screen borrowers. We as consumers do not have access to this database. We cannot dispute what's reporting in this database. So, if you're trying to get an FHA mortgage, apply for VA or USDA funding, or down payment assistance and you're in this database, CAVERS, instant denial. And here's the worst part, you may not even know you're in there until a lender checks it. So even if your loan is deleted from your credit report, your student loan, any federal loan, your default can still show in CAVERS. So again, credit repair might clean the surface, but that doesn't mean the federal government is done with you. So, what to do if you're in default? Acknowledge that the balance still exists. Just because it may be off your credit report doesn't mean it's disappeared from real life. If it's a federal student loan, communicate with your lender because you're not going to be able to credit repair your way out of this type of default. You really do need to look at rehabilitation or consolidation or other options with a federal student loan. With rehabilitation, and it's a one time, you get one chance at rehabilitation. So if you've already rehabilitated a loan, you won't be able to qualify for this program again. But if it's your first time doing a rehabilitation of a federal student loan, you make 9 on-time monthly payments based on your income. Now, there's another option, and this may apply if you have already gone through the rehabilitation to get a student loan out of default in the past. With consolidation, you'll be combining the defaulted loan into a new direct loan, and then you agree to an income based plan. Once you do that, you can be removed from Cavers and the wage garnishment threat goes away. If it's a charge off or other type of collection that you have, decide your strategy. Ask yourself, is it past the statute of limitations in your state? Is it worth settling? Can you negotiate a pay for delete agreement? But please don't just ignore it and assume it'll never come back. Most debt buyers will wait and then they'll re-report just when you're trying to apply for a mortgage, a car loan, or some sort of business funding or personal funding. And how do they know? They set up alerts. They actually pay the credit bureaus to be able to set up alerts on you. So when they see that you are working on repairing your credit, getting items deleted off of your credit report, or when they see that you're starting to apply for lines of funding, a mortgage loan, a car loan, they get the alert and you wonder why that old collection or charge off account pops right back up on your credit report. Here's the truth. Credit repair is like a piece of the puzzle. It's not the entire solution. You can have a good looking report and still get denied, still have your wages garnished, and still get blocked from buying that dream home, all because a defaulted federal loan was not resolved. And that is why I teach a complete credit strategy, not just disputes and deletions, but actually understanding how credit, how debt, how it all works. So if this video resonated with you, and if you know someone else that can be helped with this video, please like, subscribe, and share this video and continue to follow me to learn more about credit.